Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host M Ghosh and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I brought for you today is about a truly inspirational political leader with integrity, a rare breed in today's times. But before we go on to his story, let me share with you a brief about our channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I started this channel in May 2020 and today we have got over 582 subscribers and 14,000 views on our channel. We have uploaded over 220 videos. Our mission is to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles such as respect, diversity, honesty, integrity. These principles, etched in stone, do not change over time and place, and living by these eternal principles is the only way to success in life. Towards this mission, we share with you truly inspirational stories of human beings at their very best on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. And we also have a Facebook and WhatsApp group which have about 850 and 210 members respectively, where we share daily inspiration. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to our channel or are coming on to the first time to our channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and join our mission. I would also request that you share these videos with your friends and family and inspire them too to join our mission. Coming back to our story, the inspirational politician with integrity, a rare breed, a man, a mark who I'm talking about is Manik Sarkar. He was the Chief Minister of Tirpura for over 20 years. He served 4 consecutive terms and he is a Politburo member of the Communist Party of India, Marxist. Born on 22nd January 1949 at Udaipur, Tirpura state. He belonged to a middle class family. His father, Amulya Sarkar, was a tailor and his mother, Anjali Sarkar, a government employee. He became active in the student movement from a very young age and in 1968, at a young age of 19 years, became a member of the Communist Party of India. Shortly thereafter, seeing his drive for politics in 1980, he was elected MLA. 1998, he became a member of the Politburo of the Communist Party of India, Marxist, and also CM. And thereafter, for 4 consecutive terms, he remained the Chief Minister of Tirpura, that is, for a sum of 20 years. He lives a very simple life. His spouse Panchali Bhattacharya is a government employee. He is the only CM in India who does not have a personal car. He lives in a house, small house owned by his grandfather, and his entire salary he donates to the welfare of the people of Tirpura. He only takes a small allowance of 10,000 rupees towards the maintenance of his family. In today's political world and culture, where every man seems to be out for making a quick buck and we see scams in the range of thousands of crores, here is a man who stands out, Mr. Manik Sarkar. A man, a mark, a rare breed, an inspirational leader, a political leader with integrity. Friends, not all of us can set examples as has been shown by Mr. Manik Sarkar, a life filled with integrity. However, what I request all of you, in these difficult COVID times where COVID-19 has ravaged mankind and millions have lost their jobs and millions have lost their livelihoods and lives, I request you to scan your environment, check who is effective and give a helping hand. I'm a strong believer of this concept of difference to one. The difference you make to one person's life will go a long way in mankind overcoming this infamous COVID 19 virus. Once again, friends, I request all of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, please do so. I am sure you find the stories which I bring for you on your channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant truly inspiring. Our mission is to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. Please do subscribe and also share with your friends and family. Request them to subscribe and also join our mission by living by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another amazing video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Do stay safe, good luck, all the best. And a heartfelt thank you to all my subscribers